Back out here this morning for part 5 of the vet clinic. This is going to be the final part. I plan to get everything wrapped up today. Let's get to it. They got all the walls finally sheetrocked. And they have the front desk area built. I'll be getting these fully finished out, as well as getting the rack terminations done. Nothing I love more than drilling some holes in the morning. I'm not sure if they're gonna want me to put the boxes up high or down there by those lower ones, so I'm waiting to hear back on that. And I also need to go get the boxes to put them in. So I'll come back to this in a minute now to start terminating the faceplates that I can. Got the last of the faceplates finished up. I left these loose so that when they go to put this backing on, they can just pull the faceplate off and feed it through the hole they cut in the backing. Now, it's time to get our last 2 access points for this site mounted. I'm about to head up in the attic, feed the cables down into the hallway where these are going to be mounted, get these installed. got the rack fully finished out. Their IT tech is going to be making the patch cables a little neater. I had to move these during business hours today, so I couldn't move them down for a long time. So their IT team's going to clean those up after hours. But now we have the voice and the data separated in two separate patch panels. Time to close the rack. Now it's time to get all the stuff moved back to where it goes, since I had to move it to get to the rack. Blam, done. Now that this job's done, it's time to hit the road back towards home. But first and foremost, you know what time it is.